Hey people, so there is this movie called Tribhanga that is on Netflix, starring Kajol, Tanvi Azmi, Mithila Palkar, among others. And it is, my god, this film that has been directed by Renuka Shahane. eh, Even when you read the reviews of it online, people say that it is indeed one of the best films to come out in. Like, I think it's one of the best things about this new year, I think 2021, like for a movie like this to come on, like on an OTT platform, बहुत ही अच्छा है because um, this movie showcases single parenting with all its uh, pluses and minuses. In fact, more drawbacks it might seem when you watch the film. But it's one of the most human films I've seen. Like, as in, normally, no, yeah, movies are a very, we try to escapism. There's a lot of escapism in films, but this film faces reality head on. So, and Renuka Shahane's direction is just like her. It's so gentle and it's so, it flows. Like, there's a certain rhythm to her direction, as in there are no like jerky shots or anything, because no, we are a audience that is used to some of this very, new age, you know this, that's what a lot of new age filmmakers have, a very almost jerky style of narrating. But with regard to this film, which is a directorial debut almost, I mean, and on such a big platform, Tribanga is a film that just flows. And like, normally when I make a review, I'm able to center it on, speak about one particular character. But here, these are stalwarts, yeah, right from Kajol to even Mithila Palkar has a very understated performance, but very sweet, like, I mean, you kind of feel bad for her character, like, because of her because of her parents having made certain choices, she decides to marry into a completely, orthodox family. And then, you have Tanvi Azmi, who's the matriarch of the family. So, but for me, what stood out was Renuka Shahane's writing and direction, because it is so like, uh, it is so, it draws you in. And I have to say this, that in my growing up years, I was always told that I look like Renuka Shahane, which for me has been like the most ultimate compliment. So really, people, you'll have to watch this movie Tribhanga, because it's not just a movie, it's an experience. So truly, so this is one film I would highly recommend to everyone. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.